Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Sensei, your go-to place to master logical reasoning. Let's jump into the next question of JIPMAT 2021 paper. As you can see, we need to determine which of the following figures correctly represent the relationship between tall men, black-haired people and Indians. Let's say this is tall men. Now, tall men can be black-haired people as well. So, there is an overlap and some Indians can be both tall men and black-haired people, right? Okay. Hence, the correct representation of this diagram is D. Coming to the next question. Chandrika is 8 ranks ahead of Jaya, who ranks 26th in a class of 42. What is Chandrika's rank from the last? Okay, so total students is equal to 42. Now, there is someone who is a topper, then there is Chandrika, then there is Jaya, and let's say there is someone who is last in class as well. Okay, now Chandrika is 8 ranks ahead of Jaya. Since Chandrika is 8 ranks ahead, there are 7 people in between Chandrika and Jaya. Okay. Now Jaya ranks 26th in class, right? So since Jaya's rank is 26th in class, how many people are below Jaya? Okay. It will be nothing but 42 minus 26. So 16 people are below Jaya. So how many people are below Chandrika? Below Chandrika, 16 people that are below Jaya, and 7 people are between Jaya and Chandrika. So 24 people are below Chandrika. Hence, from the bottom, Chandrika's will be 25th rank. Answer is B. Let's get into the next question. So X was born on March 6th, 2014, and the same year, Independence Day was celebrated on Friday. August 15th, 2014 is a Friday. Okay, and we need to determine which day X was born. Please refer to part 1 of this playlist, JIPMAT 2021. I have given a detailed explanation of a similar sum. So all we need to do is you should know the number of days in between, and we get the day of March 6, 2014. Okay, so let's calculate the number of days. So March 6th to March 15th, we have 9 days. March 15th to April 15th, we have 31. April 15 to May 30, May 15 to June 15, 31, June to July 30, July to August 31. Okay, we have got the number of days between August 15th and March 6th. We need to just sum it up. So 9 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31. Okay, that is equal to 162 days. So when you divide this by 7, you have 23 weeks plus 1 day. Okay, so the remainder is 1 day. Hence, there are 23 weeks and March 6th is 1 day before. Okay, so the March 7th will be a Friday, which is exactly 23 weeks, and March 6th is going to be a Thursday. Hence, our answer is C. Now, in this question, we need to find out how many such pairs of letters are there in the given word, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet. Okay, let me tell you a small concept. If you can see the first 3 words, right? For example, creative. Okay, in creative, one letter is in between C and E. Okay, in alphabets also, there is exactly one letter in between C and E. Hence, we need to find out such pairs of letters which have as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet. Let me give you another example. Now you have A, B, C, D, E, right? Let's say you have a word clay. Okay. Now here C and A has one letter in between. Here, even in the alphabets, C and A has one letter in between. Okay. So we need to go forward direction and we need to go backward direction as well. Okay, so let me tell you an easy way on how to do it. I have represented the positions of the letters. Okay, now I would go in a forward direction and I would go in a reverse direction as well. Okay, I'll just give a detailed explanation for C. The same I'll just continue with the rest of the letters. Okay, if this was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then we would get pairs of letters. Okay, like this is not 4, so C and R, no, this is 5, these both are same, hence C and E are one pair. Okay, now 1 is not equal to 6, 20 is not equal to 7, 9 is not equal to 8, 22 not equal to 9, 5 not equal to 10. At the same time, let me also go backward. 2, 1, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Okay, so none matches, right? Hence, we have covered all the combinations with C. Hence, we will go ahead with R. Okay, for R, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, none matches. So I'll go reverse now. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Nothing matches for R. So R is also done. Coming to E, 5, right? Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 3, 2, 1, 26. Nothing matches. So E is also done. A, 1, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I've got a 5 here. So AE is another pair. Okay. Now in the reverse direction, 26, 25, 24, 23. So no. Now coming to T, 20. So 21, 22. Now this is also 22. Then this should be 23. No. So T and V are another pair. Okay. 19, 18, 17. No, we don't have any further pairs with T with I. 9, 10, 11, 9, 8, 7. No. P. 22, 23, 22, 21. No. E. With E, we are done. So we have covered all the combinations. So we have three pairs CE, AE, and TV. Hence, number of pairs is 3. Answer is C. Study the following arrangement carefully and answer the question below. How many such digits are there in the sequence? Each of which is immediately preceded as well as followed by a letter. Okay, I see B7C here. I see D9Z, then 3. So S, this is not a digit, so wrong. 5, this is not a digit, so wrong. And T at the rate. So there are only two such digits, 7 and 9, which is immediately preceded and followed by a letter. Coming to the next, in this question, arrange the given words in a meaningful sequence and then choose the most appropriate sequence from amongst the options provided below the question. Presentation, recommendation, arrival, discussion, introduction. Okay, what should be the first? First, one should arrive. Okay, then intro will take place. After intro, there will be some presentation. Based on presentation, they will have a discussion, and after discussion, they will summarize and discuss the recommendation. Okay, so this will be our flow. Hence, it's nothing but C, E, A, D, B, A. Answer is A. Okay.